Hey, what's up, Ibrahim? It's Devin again. Thanks for speaking to me on the phone earlier. In this quick video, I'm going to give you 3 simple tips you can follow so you can start ranking higher than Lawnsmith. Because if you type in Dallas Roofing, these guys show up first. Lots of business comes with being there, and I'm going to show you how you can beat them. Now, you're probably wondering why I would even make this video for you. It's simple. I found out a little while ago there's lots of roofing contractors that are so busy taking care of their customers, they don't have the time to learn how to make the internet bring them more customers. And the only thing stopping them from hiring somebody to help them is they don't know who is an expert and who is not. So what I started doing was just creating these attack plans and just giving them away for free. Now, lots of people just take this information and do it themselves. But some people say, you know what, Devin, I like you. I want to get this done. I don't have the time. Can you do it for me? Whatever you want to do with this information is totally okay with me. My only goal is to educate you and help you make a lot of money. Now, Ibrahim, I'm going to talk to you about 3 things today: content, backlinks, and citations. First off, though, you did a fantastic job on the website. I love these photos. They're huge. They take up the entire screen, which is just a really nice design choice. And I like that it rotates through, and these look like they're all actual photos that you take and not just stock photos. But besides that, the website's super clean. I love it. What Google mostly cares about when it comes to ranking is all of this content that you can read. The reason is because they have these little robots called crawlers that crawl through the internet and search your content for keywords. A keyword is a phrase someone types into Google when they're ready to purchase from your business. So I found some for you. Dallas Roofing, that has 600 people search it every month. Dallas Roofer, 600 searches that every month. Dallas Roofers, 500 searches that every month. Roofing Dallas TX, 400 search every month. So you can see there's tons of searches out there. If you were just number one for these 3 keywords, you would be number one in front of 1,800 people looking to purchase roofing in Dallas. Imagine how that would change your business and change your life. So you want to make sure you have these keywords inside of your content. So if I go and I search your content, you can see Dallas Roofing's not on there at all. So I'd make sure I put that keyword inside of my content. One other thing too is I would make sure that I have a lot of content. The average website on the front page of Google has right around 1,500 words. If I copy all of yours and I put it in a word counter, you have 132. If I copy all of Lawnsmith's and I put theirs in, you can see they have 1,055. So by getting yourself to 1,500, you're going to blow them out of the water, plus you're going to give yourself room to fit these keywords like Dallas Roofing, Dallas Roofer, stuff like that. One more thing too is you can save your images as keywords. So your logo here, you could save this as like Dallas Roofing. That'll help you rank for that keyword as well. So that's my first tip regarding regarding content. My next tip is called backlinks. A backlink is when another website is linking to your website, driving traffic to your website. This is important because Google's kind of like a popularity contest. They want to see a bunch of trustworthy, relevant websites linking to your website, driving traffic to your website. Keep in mind, though, like I said, they want to see trustworthy, relevant websites, which means you're going to get a lot better of a result if you have other roofing and construction companies linking to you versus having like Pizza Hut linking to you, because Google knows you're not a pizza company. So the tool that I use to check out backlinks is called Ahrefs. It is a paid tool. You don't need to use it. There's plenty of free tools out there. Just Google Backlink Checker. You can find all the same data. It says you currently have 6 websites linking to you, while Lawnsmith has 335 linking to them. 334. If I were in your shoes, I would just copy them, because if these 334 websites are trustworthy and relevant enough to rank them, then they're trustworthy and relevant enough to rank you. So I would go to each one of these websites just like they did and put a link on each of these websites back to yours. A lot of times it's really easy to do. Like Angie, you create a profile, you put a link in your profile back to your homepage, and you've got a backlink in a couple minutes. Same with Yellow Pages. So it's simple to do. It's just a little time consuming, but if you just follow those 2 tips, if you beat them with content plus you beat them with backlinks, that's enough to get you ranked number 1 organically and start getting all the business that comes there. I've got one more tip for you. That's how to show up here in the map section. If you want to be number 1 in the map section, you need to have more citations than your competitors. If you're wondering what a citation is, it's when you list your name, your address, and your phone number inside of a directory. If you're wondering what a directory is, it's just a website that allows you to list your business's information like Yelp, Yellow Pages, Home Advisor, and stuff like that. If I were in your shoes, I'd figure out what directories New View Roofing was in. I'd put myself in those same directories, and I'd add a bunch more on top. So if New View was in like 150 directories, I'd put myself in at least 300. That's all I've got for you though, Ibrahim. I hope you found this informative and helpful. I tried to keep it short and to the point for you. As a quick recap, you want 1,500 words of content on this homepage with keywords like Dallas Roofing, Dallas Roofer, stuff like that in that content. You're going to want to take the links that are going to Lawnsmith and get them linking back to yourself, and then put your name, address, and phone number in more directories than NewView. And Ibrahim, if you follow these 3 tips, that's how you become number 1 across the entire front page of Google. So you're probably asking, what do I do now? you have two options. The first one is to take this information and do it yourself. If you want to go that route, it's a great route to go. I recommend you get started as soon as possible. It does take time to implement this. The sooner you get started, the less catching up you have to do. Your competitors are already doing this. If you have any questions or if you want any help getting it done, give me a call at any time. My phone number is 469-352-2524. I'd be happy to hear your goals and at least give you some free advice on what to do next. Either way, I appreciate you speaking to me on the phone earlier, Ibrahim. I hope this was a very helpful video for you, and I hope you have an awesome week. I'll see ya.